you find yourself still alive tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, will you just give yourself one big smile?
Every day it used to be a war at home to wake me up at 7. Here I wake up at 4. Though it was difficult at first, it's effortless now. The drums definitely help. I want to continue this when I go back home. My mom will sure be impressed. Everyone in the ashram begins their day with Guru Puja and yoga practices starting at 5:30 sharp.
When I was doing my sadhana at home by myself, I would make mistakes and not even notice it. But at Sadhana Pada, trained teachers are always available to correct even the smallest mistakes. And doing sadhana together is also very different. It keeps me motivated to push myself even more. I'm still not able to do everything perfectly, but I'm getting better every day. I'm going at my own pace.
I used to read a lot about yoga in books. I never imagined that I would be practicing such a powerful system like Kriya Yoga. Now this has become part of my daily routine.
When I sit with my eyes closed, my inner experience is so gentle and pleasant. It gives my whole day a boost.
I used to run away from any kind of puja or ritual at home. Only after doing this Adiyogi Pradikshana process, I could experience something within myself that I never experienced before. The way Sadhguru has designed this whole process is just mind-blowing.
I am a complete foodie and I love the food at Diksha Hall. It is so simple and delicious here. There's a perfect balance between raw food and cooked food. I've lost weight and feel more energetic throughout the day. I'm going to make these kinds of salads for myself every day when I go home.
There are as many kinds of sevas here as kinds of people. From teaching in the classroom to working in the fields. Programming to keeping accounts, making videos, graphics design, or cutting vegetables and serving food. You even get to walk the dogs.
So I'm a doctor, and I was definitely looking for a seva different from that. Initially, when I was asked to support at the clinic, I struggled. But as days are passing by, I'm noticing that I'm not getting easily agitated. I'm handling situations in a better way. Probably this is what I needed for my growth.
Seva is the place where we spend the maximum time in a day. For me, it's a great way to see if the morning sadhana is working. Can I be as joyful and at ease even when the pace picks up in Seva?
really learned the value of punctuality here at Isha. Even if you are 1 second late, the door is closed and you have to wait 45 minutes for the next batch.
Was I more joyful today than yesterday? More balanced? More intense? I'm looking forward to do it all again tomorrow, but better.